tried to inquire into what or who this Ahankara is. So the typical question that you will ask, who am I? And you can keep on asking, who is the questioner? Who is the answerer of that? But this Ahankara is very much like an imposter. And to better understand it, during the pre-pandemic days when the guest list for weddings was not so restricted to 20 and 50, a lot of weddings were all free for all. So this one person has figured that now is the wedding season, at least in India, November to Jan, Feb, I will make the most of it. Unemployed, so then what does he do? He just has to take care of his whatever clothes he's wearing. He dresses up very well and he strides in very confidently. So he's not known to anyone, neither the bride side nor the groom side, but he walks in very confidently. Generally, some relatives, both from the bride side and the groom side, they will be present at the entrance to welcome all the guests. So, aiye, they're saying, please come, you're welcome, swagatam, and our fellow walks in. And so he's smiling, everyone is very happy. So, aiye, namaste, walks in. Then he is mingling around, and the bride side think that must be somebody from the groom side, who keeps track of who's coming, who's going and all. So everyone was welcomed, this fellow was also welcomed, so they are also being very hospitable. The groom side think, this fellow, he definitely belongs to the bride side. I've never seen him around. I didn't see him in the earlier functions of Mehndi and Haldi and all that. And our friend, he goes and he has a fantastic dinner, and now he's pretty much on his way out. Then, the bride side, he also has the audacity to go and take leave of the bride side. Okay, I had a wonderful time, congratulations, I wish very well for the wonderful, beautiful bride and groom, wow, so nice. I have never seen such a fantastically coordinated wedding. Oh, I had so much fun. Oh, then you're welcome to the cocktail party also, that's scheduled for tomorrow. Oh, thank you so much, wonderful. Then the bride side quietly says, I hope it's not very rude for me to ask, but I did not see you in the earlier functions. So do you belong to the groom side, some relative friend and all? So now our friend starts getting very nervous. He says, yes, very nice decor. No, I was just asking you, you belong to that other side? He says, I have to go. He starts to scamper away. Then he's met by the other side. The other side also says, oh, so please come again, and it was very nice. So are you from the other side? We will meet again. And he scampers off. Vicharam na sahate. Ahankara is like this. The uninvited guest to the party. Does the Ahankara belong to the world of matter? No. Sthula Sharira. Ahankara belongs to the body entirely. No. Ahankara, does it belong to consciousness, Chittihi? No. When you enquire into this I concept, I notion, it seems like it is a combination of both Drik as well as Drishyam. Correct? It's both, but by itself it is nothing. It's not an independent entity. I notion is aham vritti, I thought, and this thought, idam vrittihi. So aham vrittihi, I thought, and idam vrittihi, this thought. So that this thought could be the body, or could be I am a Kshatriya, I am proud of being a Kshatriya. Association with a jati, okay, whatever it is, some association. That is Ahankara. It just encroaches, grabs anything, everything, and masquerades as the Atma. Why? Because Atma is not known.